Done and dusted here in the farm, heading to Ratheniska for the last day of the Ploughing Championships. See you all there.
This dawn is gone, this morning decide don't stop, never give up, rise to the world outside, be heavy and free, it's the only way to be, and if it's all you have, but it's all you need. Fight for the right, get the good side out, never hit the brakes, take the corner flat out, drop from the top, climb back up, the road to go is never closed. Your soul is never too old to lose control, so let your mind explode. Oh, to hell with feeling lonely, all you got to do is believe. Life is meant to be a crazy journey, only party when you feel free.
Hi everybody, it's a wrap up from Ratheniska here at County Laois for the 2023 National Ploughing Championships. Well done to the MPA and their team for managing to stage the event in such challenging conditions. For me personally, on the IFA standard as a candidate in the presidential election, I was delighted to meet so many people from around the country, and I'm looking forward to the next 10 weeks in the campaign and meeting people at the hustings and during the voting. So safe home to everybody.